Los Angeles is currently facing severe and destructive wildfires, with the Palisades fire being one of the largest. The fires are among the worst in Los Angeles history, fueled by strong Santa Ana winds and dry conditions, making them spread quickly. Experts say climate change, with its long drought and extreme weather, is partly to be blamed. Firefighters battled multiple deadly wildfires.
It's insane. I've never seen anything like it.
The governor has destroyed more than 10,000 homes, businesses, vehicles, and other structures. Officials said at a briefing over 5,000 structures were burned in the Eaton fire. Cal Fire said an area survey estimated that 5,316 structures may have been destroyed, which include residential and commercial buildings, along with smaller structures such as RVs and sheds. According to Cal Fire, 5 fire outbreaks were active in Los Angeles County, scorching more than 45 square miles across the region. The Palisade Fire in the coastal Pacific Palisade community and the Eaton Fire, located east in the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains, remain the largest blaze with 0% containment. Authorities said earlier that almost 180,000 people have been ordered to evacuate, and another 200,000 face evacuation warnings. Robert Luna, a sheriff, added that 20 people have been arrested for looting and that he planned to impose a curfew in areas impacted by the fires. U.S. President Joe Biden said the federal government would cover 100% of the cost of California's recovery efforts for the next 180 days. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms on Fact News Hausa and Fact News Africa.